Hey there! Today we're making something fresh, light, and super easy, lemon herb pasta. Just 5 ingredients and 5 steps. Perfect if you want a quick, delicious meal without the fuss. Let's go! Start by boiling some water, then add your pasta and cook according to the package instructions. Easy peasy. While that's cooking, we'll get everything else ready. Once it's done, drain the pasta, but save a little of the pasta water, just in case we want a bit of extra sauce later. Next up, let's prep our garlic and herbs. Peel and chop a couple of garlic cloves, and then give the herbs a rough chop. You don't need to be fancy here, just enough to release that great flavor. Plus, the fresh aroma of the herbs really kicks up the dish. Now grab a pan and add a good splash of olive oil. Toss in the garlic and let it cook on medium heat. Stir it around a bit, just until it turns golden brown and smells amazing. That's when you know it's ready. Time for the fresh lemon. Squeeze in the juice, which adds a nice, bright kick. Then sprinkle in the chopped herbs, giving everything a quick stir. This step makes the whole dish pop with flavor. Finally, add the pasta to the pan and toss it all together. If it looks a little dry, splash in that reserved pasta water to get a light, glossy sauce. Once it's all combined, you're ready to plate. Simple, fresh, and super tasty. And there you have it, lemon herb pasta. Just 5 ingredients, 5 easy steps, and you've got a fresh, delicious meal. Hope you enjoy this one. Don't forget to hit like if you found it helpful, and see you next time for more easy recipes.